In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the last comment on Jira using automation. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can follow along easily and implement this on your own Jira project. So let's get started. First, we need to head over to your Jira project settings. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Automation. This section is your control hub for setting up automations that save you time and increase efficiency by automating repetitive tasks. It's truly a powerful feature that can enhance your Jira experience substantially. The next step is to create a new rule. To do this, you'll find a button or link that says Create Rule. Go ahead and click on that. By creating a rule, you're essentially setting up an instruction for Jira to follow under specific conditions you define. Now let's focus on setting the trigger for this automation rule. For this scenario, we want the trigger to be issue commented. This means that whenever an issue receives a new comment, Jira will initiate the rule you're setting up, making it accurate and responsive. After setting the trigger, the next part involves defining the action. Here, we want to select delete comment. This straightforward action will ensure that when our rule is triggered, it will remove a specific comment automatically. At this point, you might be wondering how Jira knows which comment to delete. This is where we use smart values. Specifically, you'll use our issue.comments last.id, which is a Jira smart value that dynamically fetches the ID of the last comment on a given issue. This ensures that the automation targets and deletes the most recent comment as desired. With that configured, we are almost done. Now you need to locate and click on Turn on Rule at the top right corner of your screen. This activates the rule you've just created. Jira will prompt you to enter a name for your rule. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later, perhaps something like delete last comment. Additionally, it's important to determine who can edit this rule in the future. You'll find a drop-down menu where you can specify permissions, ensuring the right team members have access, which is especially useful in a collaborative environment. Finally, after setting the permissions, go ahead and click on Turn on Rule again to finalize your setup. Your rule is now active, and with the trigger and actions defined, Jira will automatically delete the last comment whenever a comment is added to an issue. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up an automation rule to delete the last comment on Jira. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to streamline your workflow in Jira. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials.